This is so much snow. We have been covering up the whole thing. Also, there's so much snow. You don't really see it. If you go in, you can see a lot of snow. And also, my table is filled with snow. Icicles right there. And what? Why are the lights? Wait, this is not on site. And if you zoom into this house, yeah, that's a lot of things. Now you can see lots of snow if you zoom in. See it falling down. Snow just on. What? Is it raining and snowing at the same time? I don't know. Just watch the snow over for 15 minutes. Finally, I made it past. I don't know, some snow getting here. It looks like a roof on top of there. This just looks like I'm outside. But it's just glass. Let's see. You don't see during this, but there's snow.
Jared,
What?
when I finish Little Nightmares.
Alright, we have Little Nightmares.
Oh, sorry, I'm not playing it, but you just zoom in.
Yeah. Little Nightmares.
Okay, so 40.
Yeah, I saw the notification.
You never stop that.
No, this is gonna go on for 15 minutes.
What? 15, Jared?
Yes.
Why? Oh, big.
Jeez, the glass is cold. Here, more higher view. More. Okay. Okay. Yeah, last time when I did this, my tablet, it was just so weird. I can't go outside when it's dark. But I can record a lot during summer. On Groundhog Day, it was 6 weeks of winter. I forgot what that was, but that was there. There's just so much snow. This is a more horrible view. It's so horrible. This is more. Oh, wait. No, just. Is it? Oh, geez. That's a lot of wind blocking. It's really white. My tablet. Is this cold? This is cold so much. I mean, not in this. I think this is a rubber part. I don't know, plastic. Oh yeah, my birthday's on June 2nd. And it's almost June 2nd. 5 minutes. But there was something. Oh wait, I thought that was a lamppost, but just that it's next. Just 10 more minutes. This is slowing down. Oh no. Oh, I can't even catch it with my head. I can't. It just looks like line just zipping down. Oh, calm down. There's literally smoke. No, not like actual fire smoke. Is it? Oh, it stopped. Oh wait, I haven't seen. No, I see snow falling down over from that apartment right there. This is. Oh, wait, that's a car. I need to hit the car. That wasn't. 6 minutes. Why is this shaking? This is shaking. Ah, he saw it. Truck. Okay, 7. So I just need 8. So okay, 8 more minutes. Sorry, I was counting. It's just so cold with this class. It's so horrible. Seven. You know what? I'm stopping this to 10 minutes. Just gonna get a little boring. I know, so this is gonna get really cold. This is so weird. It's so weird like this. What? There. This is where the camera part is. Like, you won't see anything. Nothing. It's kind of bright. Just almost. Okay. 1 more minute. Few seconds left. Oh, you see that wind now. You see lots of wind. Yeah, just a lot of wind coming through. Lots of wind. It's shaking, I don't know why. And that's all. See you later.